Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start upselling with Amazon Prime easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by understanding what upselling is. Upselling involves promoting additional products to customers who are already making a purchase. To begin upselling with Amazon Prime, you first need an Amazon seller account. If you don't have one, visit the Amazon Seller Central website to create your account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Amazon Seller Central dashboard. Next, research your target products that have a high potential for upselling. Look for complementary items that pair well with your main products. Analyze customer reviews and feedback to identify upsell opportunities. Choose products that are eligible for Amazon Prime to attract Prime members. Once you have selected your upsell products, include them in your listing. Create compelling product descriptions that highlight the benefits of each upsell item. Use high-quality images that showcase the upsell products effectively. In your main products listing, create a section for recommended accessories or related items. Implement the frequently bought together feature to allow Amazon to suggest upsell products. Consider running promotions or discounts for bundled products to boost sales. Monitor your sales and customer responses to refine your upselling strategy. Continuously update your upsell product offerings based on market trends and customer preferences. Utilize Amazon's advertising tools to promote your main product along with upsell options. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews on the upsell products to build credibility. Take advantage of Amazon's insights and analytics to track the performance of your upselling efforts. Regularly assess and optimize your listings to maximize your upselling potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.